Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Apple Home app to rename accessories correctly. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download the Apple Home app, begin by unlocking your device. Open the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. In the search bar, type Apple Home. Tap the search icon to view the results. Locate the Apple Home app in the list of search results. Tap the Get or Download icon next to the app. Authenticate the download if prompted, using your Apple ID or Face ID. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the download is complete, locate the Home app on your home screen. Open the Apple Home app by tapping its icon. If prompted, log in with your Apple ID to access your home setup. To rename an accessory, tap and hold on the accessories icon you want to rename. Select Settings from the pop-up menu. Tap Name or the current name of the accessory. Enter the new name you wish to use for the accessory. Tap Done or Save to apply the new name. Check that the accessory now displays the updated name within the app. You have successfully downloaded the Apple Home app and renamed your accessories. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.